Hello children, how are you? Welcome back. We are learning the chapter progressions. In this chapter there are total 5 topics. So in the previous video we started introduction to arithmetic progression and we also completed some questions. So let's do the remaining questions related to first topic in this video. So let us start part 2 of this chapter. Children, in the previous class we completed third bit. There are total 4 problems. So in this class we are going to learn the second bit, that is write first 4 terms of AP when the first term A and the common difference D are given as follows. Observe all questions. In every question A value and D value is given. So then write first 4 terms of arithmetic progression. So there are total 5 questions. So I will explain third problem. A equals to 4, D equals to minus 3. So A equals to 4, D equals to minus 3. So let us find out the first 4 terms. First term is A1. So we know very well the first term is denoting with A or A1. So that is why A1 equals to A, it is equals to 4. Next second term is A2. So as per the general form of arithmetic progression, the A2 is A plus D. So it is equals to A value 4 plus D value minus 3. So 4 plus minus 3 equals to 1. Next third term is A3. So A3 equals to A plus 2D. So it is equals to A value 4 plus 2 into D value minus 3. So 4 plus 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. So 4 minus 6 is equals to minus 2. Let's find out the fourth term. So A4 is equals to A plus 3D. So A value 4 plus 3 into D value minus 3. So it is equals to 4 plus 3 into minus 3 is minus 9. 4 minus 9 is minus 5. So first term is 4, second term is 1, third term minus 2 and fourth term minus 5. Next go to fourth question. A value minus 1 and D value 1 by 2. So A value minus 1, D value 1 by 2. So first term is A1. So A1 is equals to A. So A value already given, that is minus 1. Second term is A2. So A2 equals to A plus D. So A equals to minus 1 plus D equals to 1 by 2. So here minus 1 can write as a minus 1 by 1. So the LCM is 2 is a LCM. So 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 plus 1. So minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 by 2. So first term is minus 1, second term is minus 1 by 2. Next third term A3 is equals to A plus 2D. A3 equals to A plus 2D. So A value, what is A value? Minus 1 plus 2 into, what is a D value? 1 by 2. So 1 by 2. So it is equals to minus 1 plus, here 2 cancel 1. So minus 1 plus 1 equals to 0. So third term is 0. Next fourth term A4 A4 equals to A plus 3D. So A value minus 1 plus 3D, 3 into D value 1 by 2. So minus 1 plus 3 into 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. So here minus 1 I am writing as a minus 1 by 1. So 1 comma 2 LCM is 2. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2 plus 3. So it is equals to minus 2 plus 3 is 1 by 2. So fourth term also completed. So first term minus 1, second term minus 1 by 2, third term 0 and fourth term 1 by 2. So children, first problem, second problem and fifth problem. So 3 problems for homework. So children, using example 1 we completed 2 bits in the exercise. Now let's start the example 2. Which of the following forms on AP? If they form on AP, then write next to 2 terms. Which of the following forms on AP? If they form on AP, then write next to 2 terms. So if the given list of the numbers forms on AP, then only you can write the next 2 terms. Otherwise you cannot write the next 2 terms. So here there are total 5 questions. So I will explain first problem. 4, 10, 16, 22. See here, first term is A or A1, it is equals to 4. So whether this given list of the numbers form on AP or not. So to verify that, we have to find out some differences. So the first difference is A2 minus A1. A2 means second term, that is 10. A1 first term, that is 4. 10 minus 4, answer is 6. Next, second difference, A3 minus A2. A3 third term 16, A2 second term 10, 16 minus 10 equals to 6. Next, third difference, A4 minus A3. So fourth term is 22 and third term is 16. 22 minus 16 is 6. In each case we got same difference answers. That means the given list of the numbers following the common difference. So then the list is forms on arithmetic progression. So that is a matter I have given here. Here differences are common, then the given list of the numbers forms on arithmetic progression. So if the forms on arithmetic progression, then we have to write the next 2 terms. See, in the given list how many terms are there? Total 4 terms are there. Then next 2 terms means A5 and A6. Okay. So let us find out the A5. So A5 is equals to A4 plus D, because according to the definition of arithmetic progression, we need to add the common difference to the preceding term. So what is the preceding term here? A4 is a preceding term, so that is 22, and here common difference. Which is a common difference? Yes, this 6 is a common difference. So 22 plus 6 equals to 28. So the fifth term is 28. Next, sixth term, that is A5 plus D. So what is A5? That is 28. So 28, D common difference 6. 28 plus 6 equals to 34. Next, coming to second problem, 1 minus 1 minus 3 minus 5. So let us verify whether the given list of the numbers forms on AP or not. So first term is 1 and differences. First difference is A2 minus A1, A2 minus 1 minus A1 1. So minus 1 is minus 2. Second difference, A3 minus A2. So A3 third term, that is minus 3, minus A2 second term minus 1. So minus 3 minus of minus 1 will become plus 1. So minus 3 plus 1 is equals to minus 2. Next, third difference is a4 minus a3 equals to minus 5 minus of minus 3. So minus 5 minus of minus 3 plus 3. So minus 5 plus 3 equals to minus 2. So in the all differences we got the same answer. So then here differences are common, then the given list of the numbers forms on AP. So once they forms on AP, then we have to find out the next two terms. So how many terms are given in the question? 4 terms are given. So in the next next two terms are A5 and A6. So let us find out the A5. A5 means A4 plus D. A4, so A4 given in the question, that is minus 5. So A4 equals to minus 5 plus D equals to minus 2. Minus 5 plus minus 2 is minus 7. Next, A6 equals to A5 plus D. A5, that is minus 7, and D, common difference, that is minus 2. So minus 7 plus minus 2, minus 9. So the next two terms are minus 7 and minus 9. Next, go to third problem, minus 2 comma 2 comma minus 2 comma 2 comma minus 2. So here the first term is, what is the first term? Minus 2 is the first term. Next, to find out the differences. First difference is A2 minus A1. So A2 minus A1 equals to 2 minus of minus 2. See here, second term is 2 and the first term is minus 2. So 2 minus of minus 2 will become 2 plus 2. It is equals to 4. So next, second difference is A3 minus A2. A3 means third term. So third term is minus 2. A2 means second term, that is 2. Minus 2 minus 2 is equals to minus 4. So it is very clear, first difference answer is 4, but second difference answer is minus 4. So that means the given list of the numbers not following the common difference. So here differences are not common. So then the given list of the numbers does not forms on arithmetic progression. So if they not forming the arithmetic progression, then we cannot write the next two terms. Next, fourth question is 1 1 1 2 2 2 3 3 3 dash. So here the first term is 1. Next, find out the differences. A2 minus A1, it is equals to 1 minus 1, it is equals to 0. Next, A3 minus A2, 1 minus 1, it is also a 0. So let's go for one more difference. A4 minus A3 equals to 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So here what have been, first two differences are same, but third difference is different. So the given list of the numbers does not forms on arithmetic progression. Next, fifth problem, x comma 2x comma 3x comma 4x dash. First term a or a1, that is x. Next, differences. First difference a2 minus a1. So a2 second term minus first term, 2x minus x, it is equals to x. Next, second difference a3 minus a2. Third term minus second term, 3x minus 2x, it is also x. Third difference a4 minus a3. So fourth term minus third term, it is equals to x. So in the three cases we got the same difference answer. So here differences are common, then the given list of the numbers forms on AP. And in the given list, how many terms are available? Total 4 terms. So the next two terms are A5 and A6. Let us find out the next two terms. A5 equals to fourth term plus common difference. Fourth term is 4x. Common difference is here. This is common difference, x. 4x plus x, it is equals to 5x. Next, sixth term A5 plus D. A5 5x plus D x. So 5x plus x equals to 6x. So the next two terms are 5x and 6x. Now let's go to exercise. See, first bit it is a word problems, second bit already completed, third bit also completed. See here, fourth bit is same like a example 2. Which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write the next 3 terms. So same like a example 2. So here asking find the common difference and write next 3 terms. Okay. So here first problem very simple, second problem, third problem and fourth problem. So 4 problems are homework. So now I will explain fifth problem. So 3 comma 3 plus root 2 comma 3 plus 2 root 2 comma 3 plus 3 root 2 dash. So whether this list of the numbers forms an AP or not, let us verify. See children, here the first term is A or A1. What is that? 3 is the first term. Okay. So next differences. First difference A2 minus A1. What is the A2? Second term 3 plus root 2. So here 3 plus root 2 minus A1 first term. What is the first term? 3 is a first term. So here we can cancel plus 3 minus 3. So then the A2 minus A1 answer is root 2. So next second difference A3 minus A2. A3 third term 3 plus 2 root 2 minus A2 3 plus root 2. So here you take the bracket, it is a very important. So in the next step remove the bracket 3 plus 2 root 2. So when you removing the bracket, so symbols will get change in the bracket. So minus 3 minus root 2. So here plus 3 minus 3 cancel. So 2 root 2 minus root 2, it is equals to root 2. So next third difference is A4 minus A3. So A4 fourth term, that is 3 plus 3 root 2 minus A3. So here take the bracket, very important, 3 plus 2 root 2. So in the next step you remove the bracket, so then symbols will be changed. So 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 minus 2 root 2. So here plus 3 minus 3 cancel. So 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2, they both are like terms. So 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is root 2. So once you observe the all differences, see here first difference is root 2, second difference also root 2 and third difference also root 2. So here differences are common. So then the given list of the numbers forms on arithmetic progression. So in the given list how many terms are given? So total 4 terms are given. So then the next 3 terms. Sorry children, here I found only 2 terms. Actually we have to find out the 3 terms. So A5, A6 and A7 also. So let us find out the A5. A5 means A4 plus D. What is A4? 3 plus 3 root 2 plus D. What is the D? Common difference. So the common difference is root 2. See here 3 root 2 and root 2 both are like terms. So you can add. So 3 plus 4 root 2. Next sixth term. So what is the sixth term? A5 plus D. So A5 is 3 plus 4 root 2 and D is root 2. So here 4 root 2 and root 2 both are like terms. So we can add. So 3 plus 5 root 2. So next seventh term is A6 plus D. So A6 3 plus 5 root 2 plus D, that is root 2. So 3 plus 5 root 2 plus root 2 equals to 3 plus 6 root 2. So children, these 4 problems are homework. Let's summarize what we have learned in this class. First topic, how to write terms in arithmetic progression. Second topic, how to verify given list of numbers forms on AP. and number of homework questions is 7. So send your homework answers through WhatsApp and don't copy from others. And if you have any other doubts, either message me or call me. I hope you understand this class. See you in the next class. Thank you.